Okay, more Angel. Look at her. You know what? Angel! Stop it! She just escaped from her cage, and I don't know. She's just too small. It's hard to get her. Running away. Angel. She's really fast. Angel, what's wrong? I don't know what's wrong with her. She looks dirty because she escaped and was running through the garage. I don't know. We need a new place to put her. Love you, Angel.